Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study neuroscience in medical school. Begin by building a strong foundation in neuroanatomy and neurophysiology. Focus on understanding the basic structures and functions before diving into complex pathologies. Integrate clinical cases and patient scenarios early in your study process. This approach helps you connect theoretical knowledge to real-world applications, making the material more relevant and memorable. Active recall and spaced repetition are crucial for solidifying your understanding and ensuring long-term retention of key concepts. To truly master neuroscience, consider creating detailed concept maps. These visual aids help you connect different brain regions, pathways, and their functions, making complex information easier to digest. Regularly practice drawing diagrams of the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. This active learning technique reinforces your anatomical understanding. Additionally, forming a study group can be incredibly beneficial. Discussing challenging topics and quizzing one another helps identify knowledge gaps and strengthens your overall comprehension of the material. Applying your neuroscience knowledge clinically is paramount. Pay close attention to the neurological examination, understanding each component and its significance. Learn to interpret neuroimaging studies, such as MRI and CT scans, to identify pathologies. Familiarize yourself with common neurological disorders, their symptoms, and treatment approaches. Supplement your learning with high-yield resources like specialized question banks and comprehensive review books. These tools are excellent for testing your knowledge and preparing for exams, ensuring you cover all essential topics. For those looking to go beyond the basics, explore current research articles and delve into advanced neuroscience topics. This can deepen your understanding and spark potential research interests. Actively seek out clinical rotation opportunities in neurology or neurosurgery. Hands-on experience with patients provides invaluable insights and reinforces your classroom learning. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing and stay curious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.